this video I want to demonstrate how to make a ball or sphere. So a ball or sphere would start with a revolve base. So I'm going to select revolve base, and then it's going to ask me to select the plane to sketch in. You expand the feature tree until I want to sketch in the front plane. To create a sphere, first I'm going to start with a midpoint line and click on the origin, come out and click and create my line. I'll push escape. Now I want to use a 3-point arc. So I'm going to come up and grab the center point arc tool. I want the center here, and I'll just come out here, click on the one side of the line, come around and click on the other side of the line, and push escape to create the sphere. So next I'll use mouse gestures to activate smart dimensioning. I'll dimension this at 2.5 inches. My sketch is fully defined. I'm going to go to the isometric view. I'll right click and exit the sketch, and it'll take me into the revolve feature. Because I want to make a sphere, I'm going to do a full 360-degree revolve. And because I didn't sketch a center line, it's asking me to tell it what the line to revolve about is. So I'm going to choose this line. I'll right click to accept that, and I've created a sphere.